Good morning, dear students. I hope you understood chapter number 12, the prepositions. And today we are starting chapter number 13, conjunctions. You have already read in previous classes. So let's start. What are conjunctions? Okay, dear students. So what is the definition of conjunction? Conjunction are words which join words, phrases and clauses. Conjunction are words which join words, phrases and clauses. For example, he bought a pen and a pencil. Joining words, pen and pencil. So, joining word क्या है यहाँ पर? And. Okay, dear students, in second sentence, she is very healthy and quite beautiful. She is very healthy and quite beautiful. Very healthy. First phrase, second phrase, quite beautiful. And in this sentence, and word is joining two phrases, very healthy and quite beautiful. Give me some money and I shall help you. Give me some money, that is called clause, and I shall help you, that is also a clause. So that are the main clauses. Main clause. And this sentence and conjunction, in this sentence and conjunction is joining two clauses. Okay, dear students, so what are conjunctions? Conjunction are words which join words, phrases and clauses. Words, phrases and clauses. I hope you understood. There are three kinds of conjunctions. There are three kinds of conjunctions. So look at this. First kind of conjunction is coordinating conjunction. For example, and, but, or, etc. Second kind of conjunction is correlative conjunction. Both and, either or, neither nor, hardly when, though yet, not only, but also, etc. Third kind of conjunction is subordinate conjunction. For example, after, before, because, when, where, etc. Okay, dear student. So, first kind of conjunction is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction are the conjunctions that join two or main clauses, two or more main clauses. And dear students, main clause is also called independent clause, and it is also called principal clause. That is a complete sentence, that is called principal clause. These clauses are meaningful and even when they are not joined by a conjunctions. Okay, dear student. For example, he went into the room. He went into the room and sat on a chair. This sentence can be broken into two independent sentences and which are meaningful. He went into room, he sat on a chair. We can write it different also because these two sentences are completed. These two sentences are main clauses and they are complete in its sense, and they need not subordinate clause or dependent clause. They are completed. Okay, they complete in sense, so they are called main clauses. So what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction is that join two or more main clauses. Okay, dear students, I hope you are understanding. So today's English work is you have to read page number 149 and 150. Okay, dear student, thank you.